We based our solution in the Thales theorem, in which we have two objects that share shadows. They share the same angle of depression, and if we know the length of the shadow and the height of the smaller object, we can use the tangent trigonometric function to solve for the angle. Then we substitute the shadow of the smaller stick for the shadow of the complete object, and now we can get the opposite side and the adjacent side. After measuring the big post, we find out that the total shadow is of 12.41, and the height of the stick is of 1.19. The shadow of the stick is 1.78.
Now that we know the opposite side and the adjacent side of an angle, we can calculate the tangent, which gives us 0.668. Now that we have the tangent, we can use the function inverse tangent to get the measure of the angle, which is 33.76 degrees. Now that we know the adjacent side and the angle, we can solve for the opposite side and get the height of the post, which is 8.29 meters.
The height of the stick is of 1.19 meters. Its shadow is of 1.88. It has a total shadow of 11.9.
Using the same method as before, with the opposite side and the adjacent side, we get that the tangent of the angle is 0.632. We use inverse tangent to get the angle, which is 32.33 degrees. Now, we can solve for the opposite side and use the shadow of the tree to get the height. After doing the calculations, we get that the height of the tree is 7.53 meters.